Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 1st, 2021. I wanted to come in and provide you all the update in the market for Beyond Meat. It has been a extremely long time, maybe a couple of months, February of when we did our last price prediction in Beyond Meat. And you all can see already what has been the performance since that time. So I'm going to break down to you all where we're expecting the market price in Beyond Meat to go. All right, without being confused. Yeah, I said it. We're going to predict where prices in Beyond Meat is going to go so that we can ensure we are dominating the space, that we are taking the bag from the trap, and that we are simply winning. This is what we do. So if you guys want to join us, the doors are open. Hit the like button. Share it. Also subscribe to our channel. One thing we will not do on our channel is give you any pump and dumps. We don't pump stocks. We could care less about stocks going higher. We could care less about stocks going lower. You know why? Because you can make money either way, in either direction. You can still be profitable. So why would we become emotional and just play one side of the market when we can play all sides and win in either way? Right? So join us. Now, let me talk about Beyond Meat real quick, okay? Because we talked about Beyond Meat back on February 22nd. 2021, and don't worry, we got you. It is in our Beyond Meat playlist. Yes, it is. So you could go back and listen to what I said back in February regarding why we were under the premise of seeing Beyond Meat go lower. Right? See it right there. So take a look. Our ultimate area TP back in February was around $140.25. So if anything, from that time period, you could have garnered 12.5%, and it happened literally 2 days of following us during our price prediction. The market in Beyond Meat came to our ultimate TP price. Now, back here in May was the low of the price in Beyond Meat since we did our price prediction. That was about 36%. So I want to say kudos. Like, this is how you're able to win into the market. You got to be a forecaster. You got to understand what the trap has in store in regards to price movement. So I want to say congratulations to all of our trap watchers who was able to capitalize on Beyond Meat going lower. So now that's done. That is over. Let's take a look at the price in Beyond Meat now, because you can see here. I want to zoom out, and we could get a lot of information once we zoom out of the chart. You can see what actually is going on into the market in Beyond Meat. Are we in any biased direction? I.e., are we definitely in an uptrend, or are we definitely in a downtrend? Because either situation, I'm here to tell you, we're not in either one of them. The market in Beyond Meat is just trading within a very wide channel. Yes, it is. So let me show you. First thing, we're going to create the ballpark. Let's create the field to where we're expecting price to move. Okay. That's one area, that's support. And up here is where that market is finding restriction. Now, you do have some times to where the market price in Beyond Meat broke outside of those lines, but the majority of the price action has occurred within it. So this is where a lot of the price action has been completed by the trap. So as we get closer to either one of these lines, we need to see some things happen. Right now, we're smack dab right into the middle, right? So let's take a look at the monthly time frame in Beyond Meat, since we're going to create the trend. So this is the trend that we're expecting the market in Beyond Meat to go through right now. Okay. Now, this is the ballpark. This is the playing field. Let's look at the market in Beyond Meat on the monthly. Okay. Now, I'm going to keep it real with everyone in our community, because I don't want to give you any hype, any FUD, any hope, any expectations of what we don't see on the chart. We got to keep it real. And for us, if the market is weak, it's weak. And looking at this on the monthly time frame, I mean, I want you to tell me, what are you seeing on this chart? Look at, we completed the month of July. The price in Beyond Meat ended lower. So for the whole 31 days of July, The market price in Beyond Meat ended and completed on the low of the bar. That is weakness. Now, with that being stated, I can still see where the market trap would come through and try to prop up this price, which is right here. So yeah, if we're going to play the weakness into the market in Beyond Meat, we got to be cognizant and understand that he can still prop up the price right here at $120.50, and the market can come back up. Keep that in your mind. So now, seeing how the monthly time frame is weakness, what are we getting on a 3-week time frame? You would expect that to transition over to a different time frame, and we're still seeing that weakness here in Beyond Meat right there. So now, what about on a 2 months time frame? Still seeing the weakness here too. Okay. Now check this out. You can also see from a 2-month time frame perspective that the market in Beyond Meat is actually breaking the overall trend now. We got 30 days and 4 hours left, but if we close below this overall trend from a 2-month perspective, yeah, we're going to go a lot lower in price in Beyond Meat. This is the monthly. So even here on the monthly time frame, the market price in Beyond Meat broke the trend. That is not positive. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care if anyone sees anything different. The market does not tell us any lies. It is what it is. You can't do anything about it. I can't do anything about it. The only thing that we can do is to make sure that we get in position and dominate the space. That's it. So the trend in Beyond Meat has been broken. So now, the next place that we can see the market grab support that I'm already seeing is right here around 113, all the way down to $100. Those are the two areas, 113 and $100. Okay. So check this out. Let's go ahead and do a quick price prediction in the market in Beyond Meat. I mean, there wasn't no confusion about it. Okay. So now we said 113, right? Around $113. That's about 7.75%, almost 8% that we can see this market in Beyond Meat go. Okay. So that would be the first area to grab some profits off the table. Take it from the trap, put it right back into our account. Next one, we got 113 first. Next one would be around 110, ultimately down here to like $100. Okay, so that's still like another 16% movement to the downside. Now, our restriction point is going to be up here. As long as the price in Beyond Meat does not go up above $140, give or take, we understand that we're still going to go lower in price. Okay, we understand that the weakness is still dominating this space. So now, that's it. I want you all to tell me, what are you seeing on the chart in Beyond Meat? Drop me a comment in the comment section. Again, I want to welcome everyone to our team, to our community of trap watchers, to where we pay attention to that guy that you see on the bottom left side of my screen. He is our opponent. We need to see and pay attention to what he does every trading day to ensure that we are one step ahead of him. We got to stay ahead of the game in order for us to win. So I want you all to tell me, what is your price prediction that you are seeing in Beyond Meat? Leave me a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.